Right, so we've just entered into this this old abandoned house. I think there's a business connected to it. Well, I'm not entirely sure, a little bit out of breath. I'm extremely unfit this time of year. So what we'll do, we'll have a look around and yeah, just see what crack is. So as you can see, we've got some offices here. So we've got like an old safe here. What's that? Some old reel tapes. I think they're real. Yeah, the reel tapes, huh? Some old cassettes there. Yeah, as you can see. So there should be a machine here technically. Oh, keep looking and see what we find. Well, there used to be glass in that. God, that's heavy. Oh, so let's shut that one. We've got another office. So I believe that some kind of business was here. Not entirely sure what. But going off the paperwork, possibly some kind of food storage industry. There you go. For you fans out there. Right, let's have a gander. What does it say on here? PK Explorers on Facebook, never heard of you. Oh, Class A1 Bellend. Let's go through here. Let's have a look through here. Oh, it says toilets on the door. Yeah, toilet smashers have been in. Oh, bloody hell. Okay. Another office, as you can see. So I'm guessing they're like the servers or something. Standard. So yeah, there is actually a larger building connected just there. So there's a bigger building connected. Let's just carry on looking around. Microwave. Oh, there's no cookies left. Right. On to the next room. Got some of those old photo, I don't know what they're called, photo sliders maybe. Got a big, very large safe. What's this? What is that? Oh, yeah. Ah, so that is actually for this. Looks like some kind of sliding machine so you can see what's on them. Oh yeah, let's put that back there. Back on top. Dangerous electrics. It's quite dangerous in here as well. It's like this in most places though, so can't really complain. Right. Excuse the heavy breathing, it's very warm in here. Nice hot summer's day. Yeah, pretty much this place is just completely fucked. Best not trip over again. Came in that way. It's down here. So it appears like we've got a basement there. Yeah. So we've actually got a basement in here. Wow. Right, let's go and have a look. Oh, if you can see anything down there. If you do see anything, just let me know in the comments. Don't really go into claustrophobic spaces. Right, fucking hell, it's a tight fit. Right, let's have a look upstairs. I'll tell you what, it's actually really good to be back out exploring. Not been out in about a year now. So, so that's quite cool. You got ivy going outside the window. That's pretty epic, that. I'll get some photos of that after. Fuck me. It actually looks like time to stop there. It's pretty cool. More ivy. And a kitchen. So that's pretty cool. I think. Well, that's not supposed to happen. But I think that's it for up here. Hold on. Nice. See, there's a lot of decay everywhere. Oh, this is the same room. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice circular window. Fucking gunshots going off. Yeah. Local farmer doing his hunting probably. But anyway, we're not bothering him, so he don't bother us. Ladies' toilets. can't even push that open. Oh, dirty bastards. Someone's obviously used the bin for disposing of their toilet roll. I'm lost. Right, downstairs we go. You'll see we've got the fellow explorers. This sound. I think that is it for here, possibly. Yeah, that's it. Right. Anyway, I am absolutely knackered, just walking around, extremely unfit. Well, we've been in lockdown for about a year now. So anyway, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Got more videos coming now that this lockdown is pretty much over with. Hopefully by then I'll be more into shape, because I can't walk that far without being out of breath, as you can tell. Right, so anyway, what I'll do is I'll link in the comments or in the video, whichever, my Facebook page and my YouTube page, not YouTube, Instagram page, sorry. Really out of breath in here. Right, catch you later.